Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the study problem class. And one doubt question of students: an infinite number of identically charged bodies are kept along x-axis at points x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter, 16 meters. That so on. All other charges repel the charges at the origin with a force of 1.2 Newton. Find the magnitude of each charge. So first of all, you can draw figure. Suppose this is the x is equal to 0, this is x is equal to 1, this is x is equal to 2, this is x is equal to 4, this is x is equal to 8, so on. That means here 0, then 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 8. From 1 the point is twice the before value. That means before value 1 is from 2, so 1 into 2 is 2, 2 is 2 is 2 is 2 is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into meter, then 32, 32 into 2, 64. The points are available. So here the identical charge is placed at all points. That means x equal 0, x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 4, x equal 8, x equal to 16, x equal to 32, etc. So identical charge means similar polarity and magnitude same. That means suppose this charge is q. Listen. So but all other charges repel due to the similar charges, so that's why force is repulsive. The repel the charges at the origin with force of 1.2 Newton. That means due to x equal 1 point, charge is q, x equal 2 point, charge is q, x equal 4 point, charge is q. Similar charges. First of all, due to 1 point charge, due to this point charge, force act on this is in this direction, that is equal to F0. This is point 0, this is point 1, F01 in this direction. Due to x equal 2, direction is F02. Similarly, due to x equal 4, point is F04, force is F04. Similarly, F08, F016. From this expression, the total force act on Q is equal to algebraic sum of in these forces. That means according to question you can write, according to question, net force act on origin is equal to F01 plus F02 plus F04 plus F08, so on. That is equal to 1.2 according to question. So here net force is what? Net force is 1.2 Newton. F01 plus F02 plus F04, F08, F116. Listen. So F016. That means force act on 0 due to 16 point charges. Listen. So individually we can calculate the value of forces F01 means beta 9 beta q, this q into this q square, the distance between 2 point 0 to 1 square 1. Say F02 means this point force act on this charge due to this charge. Two charges distance is x equal 0 is x equal 2, distance is q is 2. So beta similar charge q square by 2 square 4. Yes or no? Similarly F0 for beta q square by 4 to 0 distance 4 square is equal to beta q square by 16. Yes or no? Similarly F08 beta q square by 8 square is equal to beta q square by 64. Similarly F16 beta q square 16 square is equal to beta q square by what 256. This one 256. So finally we can find out F01 plus F02 plus F04 dash, that is the value is beta q square by 1 plus beta q square by, can find out F01 plus F02 plus F04 dash, that is equal to beta q square by 1 beta q square by 4 plus beta q square by 16 dash. That means here beta q square taken common 1 by 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 64 this. First of all we have to find out value of this. Suppose let 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 64 this is x. 1 by 1 plus here taking common 1 by 4, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 this is equal to x. Here 1 by 1 is 1 plus 1 by 4, this is the value is similarly x is equal to x. Yes or no? So finally 1 plus x by 4 is equal to x, 1 is equal to x minus x by 4 is equal to 3x by 4, imply that x is equal to 4 by 3. So finally this expression is known as beta q square into 4 by 3. That means we have to find out F02, this is the value is but this is the value is 1.2. So 1.2 is equal to beta q square, value is 4 by 3. So here q square is equal to 1.2 into 3 by 4 into beta. So q square is equal to 1.2 into 3 4 into 9 into 10 to the power 9. It can be visible or not. So finally we can find out, we can get result. Q square is equal to, taking common, 3.4 point, that means 0.1 divided by 10 to the power 9, or is equal to 10 to the power minus 10, or Q is equal to 10 to the power minus 5. This is the answer. The question asks the individual charges magnitude. What is the find the magnitude of each charge? Yes, sir. This is the each charge value is what? 10 to the minus 5 coulomb. Yes, sir. So again, next question you can write down. Here another question is present. The distance between electron and proton in hydrogen atom is 0.53 angstrom. Find the speed and frequency of revolution in an electron around the proton. That means here proton is present, nucleus, proton is present. We have already known atom consists the proton present on nucleus, that means center. It has proton. In around the proton, electrons are moving. That means this is the point, this is the charge electron, this is negative charge, this is the proton, this is placed on the nucleus. So here electron and proton are available. So must be electrostatic force present, because electrostatic force is attractive force. Because this, suppose the line joining this direction, the attractive force F electron is available. Suppose this is the electron is moved. Suppose at this point electron is at this point. Suppose electron move to this. Suppose at this point electron is direction Fe. Suppose here in this direction. Suppose here. That means whenever electron is moves around the proton, that means electrostatic force is available. Such electrostatic force is what? Beta QE QP by R square. R means distance between electron and proton, that is called, whenever electron is moving in circular path, that distance is radius of the circular path. Distance is the distance between electron and proton, and that is equal to radius of circular path. That means Fe is equal to 9 into 10 to the 9. QE, charge of QE is equal to charge of QP, that is equal to, we can write 1.6 10 to the minus 19 square, because similar charges, then multiple, then square is available. Square is product. So divided by R square. R means distance between hydrogen, the distance between electron and proton hydrogen is 0.03. That means R is equal to 0.53 angstrom. That is converted to ammeter, meter, 0.53 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So the radius is what? 0.53 into 10 to the minus 10 square. This is the value of electrostatic force. We have already known in first year class, when our body is moved, another case, when our body is moved, then the force is balancing, the force is try to balance. That means a centripetal force is available. When our body is moved, whenever proton is there, then electron in circular path, electron is moved. Electron, suppose in this point electron, that means electron move, that means force is in this direction, set balancing, that means force act on this in this direction, that is called centripetal force. When our body, electron body is present in this direction and at this position, that means electron at this position balancing nature, that means centripetal force is available. Let's see, when our electron is present, then centripetal force is here, then electron is here, centripetal force is here, that means body is here, centripetal force is here, body is here, centripetal force here. That yes or no? So when our body is circular path, move in circular path, then due to centripetal force, the electron body is balancing in nature. That means centripetal force we have already known. Centripetal force means the force act on body towards the center. The body towards the center. We have already known this centripetal force is the electrostatic force. That means this center we have already known. Whenever moving in circular path, centripetal force is available. In before case, whenever electrostatic case, whenever electron proton is separated by some distance or r distance, that in this case the electrostatic force also occurs. So in total case, the electrostatic force is equal to centripetal force. Here we can write, according to question, which are centripetal force, that is equal to electrostatic force, because we have already known whenever moving in circular path, centripetal force is created. That centripetal force is equal to electrostatic force. We have all known whenever two charge particles separated some distance, the electrostatic force is occurs. So that's why according to question, Fp is equal to Fc. Yes or no? So Fc is equal to what? Fc is equal to, we have all known, MeV square by R. MeV square by R. Yes or no? So here Fc is what? Fc is MeV square by R. R means radius of the square. The electrostatic force is what? 9 into 10 to the 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 square divided by R square. That is the value of R. That's why we can write R square. R square is cancel each other. Then velocity is what? V square is equal to 9 into 10 to the 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 divided by Me. Me means mass of electron, that is the value is 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31. So finally we get the value V is 9 into 10 to the 9 into 10 to the 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 divided by 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31. This is the speed of the electron. Next question, find the speed. Speed is calculated and the frequency of the revolution. Frequency means V, we have already known V is equal to R omega. R is equal to R omega is equal to 2 pi F. That means here F is equal to V by 2 pi R. V is what? V is in this, V value of V is in this direction. V divided by 2 pi. R means 0.53 into 10 to the minus 10. Putting the value of V and putting the value of R, we can get result value of F. Listen, this is the answer of your doubt question. Listen, next question you can write. Here another question is present. A spherical conductor having a charge of 100 microcoulomb is brought near another metallic sphere mass 36 kg resting on Earth's surface. What minimum distance of separation should be maintained so as to lift up the metallic sphere with uniform speed. What happens if separation more or less than calculated value? First of all, we have to create the calculated value. First of all, you have to draw. Suppose this is the earth. This is the metallic sphere is present on the earth. Suppose this is the another sphere charge is what? Q is 100 microcoulomb. 100 microcoulomb. Then charge body is mass. It has mass mg. It has some weight mg. Mg is what? Mg is 36 into 10 Newton. Listen, this is the body, mass of body. Question asked, what is the minimum distance? That is the distance. What is the minimum distance is required? The metallic sphere, this metallic sphere is lift up in uniform speed. Lift up in uniform speed. That means this body try to move in upward direction in uniform speed. But whenever the weight is downward position, whenever the weight in downward position is equal to this force, then body try to move upward direction in uniform speed. That means this force is equal to weight or slightly greater than weight, then body try to move in upward direction. Whenever body moves in upward direction in uniform speed, that means this force is equal or slightly greater than, but we have to think this force is equal to weight, then body try to lift in upward direction. Because this is because due to you have already known in your first year class, body is try to move. That means body we have already known. Inclined motion you have tried to know in friction class. Body is try to move upward direction. That means body, this force is equal to this force, or this force is greater than this force, then body is accelerated. Whenever this force is equal to this force, that means body slightly try to move in uniform speed in upward direction, in this direction. So that's why in this case body try to lift up in uniform speed. That we have to choose this force. The electrostatic force is equal to weight. This electrostatic force is equal to weight. That means electrostatic force is available whenever this body is the 100%. This body charge is 100 microcoulomb, but this body must be negative because the attractive force. Attractive means this body move toward this body. That means attractive force. This body must be negative charge. But there in this question, this body charge is not given. But in this negative charge, we have to choose this 100 microcoulomb. Listen. So here F is what? Beta Q E spherical conductor Q into QM metallic body divided by distance, minimum distance r square is equal to mg. Mg means 36 into 10. So here beta is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q square, Q into same charge. So we can write 100 microcoulomb is 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 square divided by r square is equal to 36 into 10. 36 10. It can be visible or not. Listen. So we can write down. So 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 square divided by r square is equal to 36 into 10. So r square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 4 square, 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 36 into 10. This one, so 9 into 4, this is the 12. So 8, 10 to the 8, 12, 1 by 4. That means r is equal to root over 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So finally we get r is equal to 0.5. r is equal to 0.5 meter. The minimum distance is 0.5 meter. Then the body is try to move in upward direction, lift up in upward direction in uniform speed. This is the question. Another question: what happens if separation more or less than calculated value? Calculated value is, this is the calculated value. This is the calculated value. This is the calculated value. When our body is when our distance, suppose distance d is less than or greater than 0.5, force is what? Force is F is equal to what? F is beta q square by d square. This is whenever this is the value is 36 into 10 to the power 36 into 10. Whenever d is equal to r, whenever d greater than 0.5, that means d square. Whenever d value of d greater than 0.5 square, that means force is decreases. That means this is the value is less than 36.5. Whenever this point, whenever d greater than 0.5, then force is less than 36.10. That means whenever this means body rest on earth or move downward That means this force is less than weight. That means body will try to rest on earth or absent of gravity, then body is downward position. And this is the first. That means whenever more separation, when the more than calculated value, then body is downward position or body is rest. When d greater than d less than 0.1, that is the calculated value. Whenever separation is less than 0.5, that means this value is increases. It decreases, this value is increases. That means total value is greater than 0.5. That means body is moves upward, accelerated. Body is accelerated upward direction. Accelerated. Body is, whenever this body electrostatic force is greater than weight, then body is lifted up in accelerated motion. This is the all about this question. So you can write down this one. The next class we will start next problem. This one. Thank you.